What's up, guys? Today I want to talk about the best lens I've ever had, and that is the RF 24 to 105 f4. I was using this with the EOS RP for a little while, and anywhere from 24 to 105, this lens just looks so good. The image stabilization was great, the autofocus was really fast, and it was extremely sharp. Whenever I took pictures of someone and showed them, they'd be like, that's such HD, that stuff like that. Not necessarily like elegant wording, but they'd say things like that. I mean, I was able to get separation between the background and the subject even at f4, and it just made some beautiful photos. It was just a pleasure to work with.